Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the backyard, to my channel, and fine day, cheers. Today I'll be making something simple. I'm just gonna make a rub. It's fairly easy, just salt and various spices, so tag along and let's do the blending. Right, the ingredients I'm gonna use: salt, pepper, paprika, chili powder, nutmeg, cumin, and red hot chili flakes, and some brown sugar. Alright, start to add the ingredients: pepper, salt, chili powder, paprika, nice color to it, red hot chili flakes, cumin, nutmeg, get it all in, and brown sugar. Putting the lid on and just shake it. Okay, the spices, the rub has been blended together. Gonna a really nice color to it. Smell is fantastic. Not too salty, not too sweet. The chili flakes are coming through. I think I feel the heat. Also have a nice aroma of the chili powder, and also a hint of cumin and nutmeg. Yeah, it's really good. This is excellent rub for red meats, smoking, etc. So this is my touch to it. Give it a try. Thanks for watching. Cheers!